What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at my house. We actually worked here for the past couple days, but my roof is all done. Yesterday me and Rodrigo were here and we ended up getting rained out at the end of the day, but we just finished the soffit area on here and we were hoping that we wouldn't have to pull any of the siding or the J down, but it was impossible to do. This was all 3/4 pine, and you can see we only have a couple inches of vented soffit under here, but when we did the roof we added ridge vent. This house only had gable vents on it, so in order to make the ridge vent actually useful we had to add soffit under here. This was all solid and just wrapped with aluminum, so we did this yesterday and we are about to hang the gutter. We have it right there, and then we are moving on to the back of the house, so you guys will see the same process that we did yesterday, except I already ripped the outer piece of aluminum off the back, so you're not going to see that, but you'll see the rest of what we have to do.
Let's go.
All right guys, so we got the top row of siding ripped off, all the aluminum off, and we are starting to prep for the vinyl. So you can see Javier started cutting right here, the chalked the line all the way down. This piece is actually lower. There's a lip here. I don't know. There you go. Now you can see it. So we got to cut this all flat and we have to take this piece out. So this went all the way to the wall, so there was really no way to get this out without pulling the siding off, so that's why we had to do that. It would have been nice if we could get this out and leave the siding and the J channel and everything, but it just wasn't possible. So we're about to rip all this out and then we can start cutting soffit, getting aluminum J in here, and then putting it all back together.
el único. Créame así que yo cuando algo está mal en mi vida digo, Señor, muéstrame el camino correcto. Esta persona es para mí. Muéstrame.
All right, guys, so we have pretty much all of the soffit on. They just have a couple pieces down here to throw on, finish up that end, but you can see how they all sitting there now. I'm about to go over to our aluminum brake, pull out the roll of aluminum and get the aluminum cut and bent for these guys, and then we are pretty much done.
Gracias, Ricky, gracias.
De nada, hizo un buen
Gracias,
job.
Chi.
Hizo un buen job. Hizo un buen, muy buen trabajo.
Hey, where'd you get that one?
Muñeco, that one I think for my baby, he can play computer.
Oh, for your kid? Yeah, I bought it just for him.
Oh,
It's his birthday soon, so
Oh, tú eres un amor.
everybody say happy birthday to Rodrigo's
Okay.
son. All right, guys, we are all buttoned up, got everything put back together, all cleaned up. Soffit, gutter, leaders connected again. If you're wondering what this wire is, I have wires that have been kind of just up in the attic space in the soffit above the old wood there for cameras, but we obviously didn't pull them down until now because we knew that we were going to be doing the roof and adding vented soffit in here, so there was no reason to drill holes for them. So you'll see them poking through, but overall this house looks very nice now. Hopefully the attic will work well with the vented soffit and the ridge vent all the way up there. You guys probably can't even see it, but there is ridge vent, so hopefully it works. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.